Welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
Yes, sir, I'm very good. What about you?
I'm also doing good, thank you. So, for the viewers who are watching this video, we have Mr. Sujeet Patil with us today. He has recently completed his multi-track training program and got placed with VIS network for phone pay customers. So, hi Sujit. First of all, many congratulations, many heartiest congratulations for getting this job. So, how it feels like?
First of all, thank you so much, sir. So it feels like what are effort I have put it here. So those efforts are been completely yeah.
Great. So, can you tell us about yourself, your background into the IT industry? A quick introduction about yourself, please.
Yeah, sure. So I belong from Kolhapur. So my native place is Kolhapur. So I have 2+ years of networking monitoring and incident handling experience in one of the service managed service provider company. So after that, I thought, given a thought that I need to enhance my networking skills. So I seen some reviews and heard about the I-MEDITA learning solutions, that how the I-MEDITA is helping the network enthusiasts to enhance their skills and how they will get placed better.
Great. So, how was your overall experience here at I-MEDITA? You enrolled for which course and what all modules you have completed till now?
Yes. So actually, I enrolled in multi-track training program here in IMDATA. So it includes CCNA, CCNP, network security, and Palo Alto courses. So I must say, like it was an outstanding learning experience for me. Yeah. So
Okay. So, in terms of learning, what approach you took for your learning purposes? How much time you were spending with the classes? How much labs and practicals you were performing? How much self-study you were doing?
yeah. So actually, I was attending IMEDATA's classes through remote because I was working from my hometown. So after completing or attending the sessions, I used to practice with the labs. The IMEDATA helped me to install the EVNG labs. They have done setup for me. So after completing the live sessions, I go for the labs. I do all the practices. They also provide the workbooks related to each module like CCNA, CCNP. So I preferred to cover those.
Okay. So, you also attended PD classes?
Yes. So
And
I provides like apart from technical classes, so they take care of about like overall personality that you uh, create here. So they provide PD classes and multiple technical mock interviews as well.
okay. And what motivated you to enroll with iMedita? Because you mentioned that you were looking for training providers who are offering these kind of courses. So why you opted only iMedita for your training needs?
Yeah. So basically, when I was looking for the learning solutions, I have Googled much of few of learning solutions here are in Pune also and are in Mumbai. So basically, there was like some of my friend who already took the learnings from here, IMDATA, and they got placed to various nice companies. So that motivated me, and also the trainers here at imedita are like not only high qualified but also bring real world industry experience into their teaching.
Okay.
So so
And you attended CCNA classes from which instructor?
First, I started with the Surendra sir, but because of some technical reason, I have to restart my like batch CCNA batch. So I have completed my CCNA, CCNP both classes, both modules from Vikas sir.
Okay, and network security and Palo Alto firewall, you have completed these modules or these are pending?
So actually, these modules are pending.
Okay, okay. So how was your experience with Mr. Vikas classes? You have done all the practicals, all the self-study along with classes as well?
Yes, yes. Vikas sir is he like bring you take you to the roots of the concepts. So he is very good at teaching. So that was the like overall experience about the Vikas.
Okay, okay. I'm sure when you enrolled here in I-MEDITA, that time there must be certain expectations in your mind that this is what I'm going to learn. This is what I expect in material from the trainer side, from our support team side. So today, when you have completed almost 50, 60, 70% of the course and got placed in this particular company and also given multiple interviews. So today, when you are at this stage, I would like to know whether we were able to met those expectations which Sujit was having prior to starting the course.
Yeah. Absolutely. I-MEDITA already met those expectations. So, I had the expectations like I will go there, I'll learn so modules like CCNA, CCNP, and they'll provide placements also. So, yeah, those expectations have been met. Yeah.
Okay, and how many interviews you have given till now, and when you started giving interviews?
Actually, from the past week, I've started giving interviews. So I have given two interviews. And I got one offer here.
Great, that is really great. It's all your dedication. It's all your hard work. Also, what all two, three couple of things you liked here at iMedita? Can you specify anything which you liked here, which
Uh,
helped you learn and advance your learning level as well?
Uh, like uh, Here in iMedita provides all the hands-on experience. Like on the real routers and switches, you can configure them, you can access them, like how to handle those. So that one thing I liked here. Also, the Vikas Nichal, I'm emphasizing on him. He if you're taking classes from Vikas sir, he'll take you to the roots to the concepts. So all the concepts you will get cleared here. Yeah.
Okay,
And folks here, other folks, those are also taking classes here. So you can discuss all the scenarios and all the technical terms with the folks. Yeah.
okay. So when you enroll for CCNA and when you completed a couple of modules, what kind of confidence you are feeling now in terms of your knowledge and overall readiness for the interview?
Yeah. So basically, I started my career as a network engineer, like L1 monitoring network engineer. But I have they have trained me. They have given basic training like how we can troubleshoot a network, and based on that, I was working so far from last 2 years. But I have recommended by someone. You can join I-MEDITA Training Institute, and you can complete the CCNA, CCNP, and some professional modules, and gain some real world experience, and gain your tech. You can gain both technically and professionally there. So yeah, those are have completed. I say confidently that they have been completed, and
Okay.
I feel so very confident in the concepts. However, if any interviewer asks me by putting some scenario in front of me and asks about the scenario, like how will the concepts or how will the packet flow like that. So I feel very confident.
Okay.
Uh,
And you got all the required study material lab workbooks. Have you utilized them? If yes, do you have any comments on the material, how it helped you learn and build these concepts?
yes, iMedita provide handbooks for CCNA, CCNP, like all the modules. They also provide the workbooks. So handbooks, you kind of refer handbooks for the conceptual clarity, but for workbooks, you can practice all the concepts on the real world scenarios.
Great. and based on your experience here at I-MEDITA during the training, during the remote classes, okay, and
Mm.
during your interview preparation process and your placement process, how would you rate our training and services on a scale of 10?
Yeah, actually, I would rate 10 out of 10. Uh,
Okay,
the solution.
great.
I
And
highly this learning solution to like any network enthusiasts.
okay. And do you have any suggestion, any feedback for us through which we may improve our training and services in future?
No, actually, I will say that iMedita is doing great. They are providing the great services.
Okay, great. Thank you, Sujit. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. We wish you all the very best for future endeavors. Keep learning. Try to contribute as much as you can for your organization, for your team. That will definitely help you grow as well. So, thank you once again, and we wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.